Okay, y'all know that video that I did a few months ago with my car? Well, it's gonna be the same thing, but with the EVO. Haven't really done much on the EVO. Been sitting for a minute. Here's a video of my car. 5 months later, I believe. In the video with the exhaust, I didn't have the grill or the lip, but in future vids, I'm gonna paint the lip and I'll explain what happened to that bumper and then the fender pretty soon. It's pretty old car, so I gotta work on that. Let me move the EVO in and we can start. Thumbnail. This exhaust is actually a Fujitsubo exhaust. It has the mufflers and the cats also, and the resonator. Has a nice low tone rumble sound, close to stock, but definitely has the sound when you go wide open throttle for sure. But pretty good exhaust. The exhaust that we're gonna put in is a Manzo Exhaust. I don't know how you say Manzo, whatever it is. I saw a few videos of it. It seems pretty legit. Sounds pretty good. So give this a try. Make some sound after this since my car is so rowdy.
This was around overall what, $500?
Nah, like $4. I'll put the actual price in the description below.
You want to start up that one to see how it sounded like before?
Oh yeah, definitely. Oh, mother.
Great. There's a nice little curve.
Okay, this shouldn't be too hard as mine. I'm sorry, Jaden. I'll put it right here. Got the hangers, both sides. This one, shit here, all the way over there where the O2 sensor is at. And one, I believe, right after the downpipe. Oh, there's a hanger near the O2 sensor too also. It shouldn't be that hard because we're not taking out the exhaust manifold like what we did to the IS.
Whoa,
if you guys don't have this, definitely cop one of this. Cop this. Oh, Ethan, get some lube. Go get the lube in your room.
I don't got it. Dude, don't say that, man. That sounds weird.
I left the spray bottle in your room.
I know, but you said go get the lube in your room.
It's in your room in the on the kitchen.
I know. I really don't want to fucking go all the way over there.
Go all the way over there.
Huh?
Go all the way over there.
No.
I unfortunately did not have the stock exhaust sound or video, but there's a bunch of videos out there with that, with the EVO X stock exhaust. How'd it go? It went well. Looking at it. Why's your nose black?
Huh?
Why's your nose black?
I don't know. Get off. Show me that black.
Your left?
I don't know. Won't you use the damn creeper, dude?
It's fine. You gotta lubricate the tip.
Yeah. Y'all live in Tennessee. Tennessee weather is like changes his mind every 3 hours. Like 1 week will be rainy, 30 degrees, no snow. Next week will be like this.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Barbecue.
1, 2, 3, 4. Hope this fits. Swear to God.
Paint that lip soon, Anthony. Right? Right?
Huh?
Paint the lip soon.
We got, wait, on my car? Yeah.
No, on my car. Yes, your car.
Yeah.
That should help. New fenders? Yeah? New fenders, yeah?
Maybe. It's kind of expensive. But I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking.
Them things is clipped.
Oh, you don't have to screw it on. It's kind of like laid down to where.
How am I supposed to know where all these different pipes are?
Good question.
I don't think it's this one, Anthony.
Okay, then find one that'll fit.
Sure, it's not this long ass one?
It can be.
Because I'm thinking it goes like this.
We'll figure it out when we take it. Can I get the tools, please? Man, this is wrinkle painted, bro. Cool.
What tools do you need?
Whatever these are. Probably
much-
17s.
Huh?
Probably the 17s, like you said.
Where had you put them? I gave it to you.
Is that over under the? Is it still over by the toolbox?
Is it under your ass?
Nah, I didn't bring it with me.
What the hell? I thought you brought it with you. Oh yeah, I put it down here.
Hope it's this side. No, it's not. Give him like a good 14.
You can't be no 14.
Give me a good 14. And then this.
What the hell?
Hope it's 14? Yeah. Yeah.
Shit stinks, dude.
What?
Ground.
Why? What it smell like?
Shit.
Dang, that was easy. Holy crap.
Got this up. Anthony, what is this called? The mid pipe, test pipe. Wasn't too easy.
Holy fuck.
I mean, wasn't too hard.
You know what? I'm doing the other one. Where's the... Oh, my fucking finger. Oh, that's not good. Get it off. Ow. Get it off? Wait, better work.
Definitely, duh.
That's why it looks so uneven. It's not even adjusted right. Someone put it so far back. God damn.
How does open header sound like? Wanna turn it on?
Oh, yeah, I try it. Dang, the one on the exhaust is no joke. But the one that's on the car is easy.
Well, oh, he's struggling. Curb rash. These are like hollowed out mufflers. I don't even think these are like. They don't do anything. They're just empty. That has a resonator and another resonator. That might be hollowed out. No. That's, yeah, that's a resonator.
Am I holding the other side up? Damn. My neck hurt.
Here, you want me to?
Yeah. Switch, I'm tired. How was it? Almost got it. Stupid hangers. Why is the hangers gonna be the hardest part? Oh, snap. There's 1. 2. Bingo. God damn. Be careful, man. Look at the tips. Not bad. Damn, I ain't dirty as shit. No. Just put a hand like that.
Yes, fool. Because if you put it upside down, the hanger's gonna be down here. Before you go to work.
You lift the camera up. Open header? Huh, why not?
So we got this whole thing out right here.
This is only the
Downpipe.
downpipe. Raspy.
You can hear that damn turbo. I heard that damn turbo whistle.
That shit's raspy. Holy
Yeah.
fuck.
That's hella raspy. I would not do that. Ooh. It stinks too. I mean, that's loud as shit too. But this is like, that was ugly, nasty. Alright, boy, drop me off at work, man.
Probably just do both. Drop you off and go get Luna.
Alright. See you guys tonight. If I even... You're gonna finish by that time, right?
Yes. Alright, back to the EVO. We got the Fujitsu one out. That's what it looked like. The muffler. It's all the way. Resonator slash cat. I'm not sure what it is. I hope it fits pretty well. Versus that damn piece of shit that's in there right now. In that car. Actually, before we actually even continue and start, let me show you one quick thing. I'll just use the car. Oh, just a good angle. Whatever. This is like one of the best things I ever bought. Check this out. Yeah. What y'all think? It's pretty cool. Always under the car. Protects your eyes at the same time. You can still see. It's like Tony Stark. I think it's like $8 at Harbor Freight. Not bad. I like it. Ugh. This is taking longer than I expected. Oh. I'm so tired. This is not funny. Oh. Okay, I actually found the first. Hold on. There you go. I actually found the first problem doing this on the Manzo setup. Right here. It doesn't have a hanger. It's just one of those where you just bolt right through the hanger and it just stays on. But the problem is I don't have a bolt that will fit this. It would be that long and could fit that specific size of a hole. So for now I might just quick zip tie, maybe, I'm not sure, until I get another bolt soon. But for now that's kind of the only problem I ran into. Everything else is pretty good. Alright, let's continue. Last but not least, that is what they call this. Fuck it, the last piece. All we gotta do is just get the hangers. Put on a new one. I think the one on this side's already on the car. I might try to take it off and just put it on hand here. Be pretty easy. Where my start glass? Oh, there we go. I am gonna keep it a little short just so it could stick out the bumper just a tiny bit. Give it a little look. Same with the side. Okay, it's done. Alright, everything is done. Everything is tying down tight. Let's give it a start.